Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will teach how you can do pregnancy test from home. Step 1. Get a test kit. Visit a drugstore or pharmacy. Look for a home pregnancy test kit. Step 2. Read the instructions. Carefully read and understand the instructions that come with the test kit. Pay attention to the recommended time to take the test and any specific instructions for collecting a urine sample. Step 3. Choose the right time. Most tests are most accurate when taken at least a week after your missed period. Some tests can detect pregnancy earlier. Check the packaging for guidance on when to take the test based on its sensitivity. Step 4. Collect your urine. Use a clean, dry container to collect your urine. Follow the instructions on how to collect a urine sample for the specific test you're using. Step 5. Perform the test. Most home pregnancy tests involve one of the following: placing a few drops of urine on a test strip, dipping a test stick into the urine sample. Follow the specific method outlined in the instructions. Step 6. Wait for results. After performing the test, wait for the recommended amount of time, usually a few minutes. Avoid reading the results too early or too late, as it can lead to inaccurate results. Step 7. Read the results. Most tests will display the results as either positive, indicating pregnancy, negative, indicating not pregnant. Make sure to read the results within the specified time frame mentioned in the instructions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share or subscribe button.